Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can rebill purchases to customers on QuickFile accounting software. Firstly, I need to go to purchases section and select an invoice, so supplier invoice, which I want to rebill to my customer. In my case, I want to rebill this purchase or supplier invoice, and so select this line, click on more options and click on rebill to client. Select the client, so in my case I have shop limited, add a markup 30%, and I will have physical items in my case, but you can select the billable items. You can attach any receipts, scans to the sales invoice, I'm fine without, and click create invoice. Now this is the invoice draft template with all details automatically pulled through from purchase invoice. Add more details, preview and send. And now we can send this invoice out or flag invoice as sent if I have printed or downloaded and distributed in any other ways. Before I send out, I can check one more time if details entered are right, and if I need to modify or amend, click on modify invoice. In my case, I will send invoice by email and click send. So now if I go to sales, there is invoice issued to shop limited with all my branded item lines, and when I go to purchases, this is the invoice what has been recharged to my client. So in this episode I showed you how you can rebill purchases to clients or customers on QuickFile accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my QuickFile tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.